Hello friends, welcome to Vamshi's Mathematics Academy. Today I am starting 8th class Mathematics exercise 1.2. Let's see the exercise 1.2 questions. Here question number 1 is, this question is very important students. This type of questions 100% you will get in final exam. Okay, put 3 starts. Okay, right. Question is, represent these numbers on the number line. These are completely number line problems. Right. In previous class, I explained clearly how to represent numbers on number line. Okay? Yeah. Your question is on rational number form. 9 by 7 is rational number. P by Q form. Numerator by denominator form. These number we have to represent on number line. Okay? First point is on number line, right side has positive values, left side has negative values. Okay, yeah, this topic you know very well. Okay, right. First draw number line. Okay students, and one more point is, here I am taking only positive values. Here I am not taking negative values. Why? Because here symbol not mentioned. Symbol is nothing but a sign. Sign is nothing but plus or minus or into a division. Okay, here plus and minus not there. Plus not mentioned means clearly this one is plus. Okay, only one number, that number is rational number, that number I should represent on number line. Clearly this number is plus value. Here I no need to take a negative values, right? Why? Because the number is clearly plus value. Here I am not taking negative values, I am avoiding negative values. No. 0 is center. Here I am taking only right side values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers I am not taking. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are integers. Here number is in P by Q form. P by Q form is fractional part. Okay, I am starting 1 by 1, taking 1 by 1. Next, 1 by 7 take 1 by 7, next 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 7 by 7, 8 by 7. Students, here 7 by 7. 7 by 7 is nothing but a 1. Why? Because 7 ones are 7. Okay, right. 8 by 7, next 9 by 7, 10 by 7. Okay, this my number is 9 by 7. I should represent a 9 by 7 on number line. Here 9 by 7 here there. Just circle this number. Okay, this is a representation of a number line, students. Similarly, its second bit is minus 7 by 5. Draw number line. Okay, clearly here symbol is mentioned. This also rational number, students. That is 7 by 5. So P by Q form. Fractional part. Okay, symbol is mentioned clearly, that is minus symbol. Here no need to take plus values. Why? Because clearly mentioned negative values. 0 here I am taking center. I said previous only one point, that is number line, right side has positive values, left side has negative values. There completely negative value, negative symbol is there. Here I am taking negative values on left side. Minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 4 by 5, minus 5 by 5, minus 6 by 5, minus 7 by 5, minus 8 by 5. Okay, minus 7 by 5. Here there, just circle this number. Okay, this is a representation of number line, students. And one more point I am clarifying, students. Simple, that is, here, okay sir, right side is positive values, left side is negative values. Okay, first problem is positive values given. Here I have taken negative positive values. Okay, here left second number is negative values. Okay, here I have taken negative values. But how should we take values? Simple. Here fractional part in P by Q form, denominator part is same. Numerator parts will be changes. Right, here 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by. Here I am not changing denominator part. Okay, if you change denominator part, that value changes again, means that value goes to bigger number or smaller number. Okay na? Here denominator part I am not changing. Now here second one is minus 1 by 5. Denominator part is same. Here just I am changing numerator part. Numerator part I am adding numbers 1 2 3 4 5. Denominator part is same. Okay, right. This is a representation of number line, students. Let's see the question number 2. Okay students, here question number 2 is represent minus 2 by 13 comma 5 by 13 comma minus 9 by 13 on the number line. First draw number line, and you can observe clearly here one point is denominator part is same. This is rational numbers. This rational numbers we have to represent on number line. Okay, you can observe clearly denominator parts are same, just numerator parts are different. Okay, on number line also positive values take and negative values take it, and don't change the denominator numbers. Numerator values only change. Okay, now 0 is the center one. Now place value is 5 by 13. Remaining two numbers, here two rational numbers, total 3 rational numbers are there. 2 rational numbers are negative values, 1 rational number is positive value. Means here I have to take positive values, positive rational numbers, and negative rational numbers. Here negative rational number is minus 9 by 13, minus 2 by 13, minus 2 by 13. Largest number is minus 9 by 13, right? Till minus 9 by 13 take minus 1 by 13. Okay, start from here, minus 1 by 13, minus 2 by 13, minus 3 by 13, minus 4 by 13, minus 5 by 13, minus 6 by 13, minus 7 by 13, minus 8 by 13, minus 9 by 13. Positive value is positive rational number is 5 by 13. Till 5 by 13 take 1 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, 4 by 13, 5 by 13. Okay, right. Now represent on number line. First minus 2 by 13. Here left side is minus 2 by 13. Circle. Next 5 by 13 plus 5 by 13 as right side. Circle. Next minus 9 by 13. Left side. Okay. Yeah, this is a representation of number line, students. This is question number 2. Let's see the question number 3. Yeah, okay students, here question number 3 is write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. Okay, right. The rational numbers which are smaller than or less than 5 by 6. Okay. First, what is rational number, students? Rational number is nothing but, students, a number which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0 is known as rational numbers. Simple, students, rational number are nothing but p by q form. Take example here of less than 5 by 6. Write the 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6 or less than 5 by 6. Take example number line, right side is positive values, left side is negative values. Smaller than means we should go left side, means 5 by 6, 4 by 6, 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6. 0 by 6 is nothing but 0, students. 0 by any number 0. Next minus 0, left side is minus values, minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by. These are the smaller than 5 by 6, students. Okay. Now here I am writing 4 by 6 comma, next 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6, 0, minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, so on infinity, students. These are the rational numbers which are less than 5 by 6. Okay, this is a way of writing any rational number less than or greater than values. Okay. Okay, let's see the next question, students. Question number 4. Okay students, question number 4 is find 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. Okay, minus 1 first, 12 rational numbers multiplied and divided by 12, students. Minus 1 into 12 by 12. 12 ones are 12 by 12. Okay, next second number is 2 Here multiply and divided by 12. Why? Because we are finding, I want here 12 rational numbers. That's why I have taken multiply and divided by 12. 2 into 12 by 12. 2 write as it is, students. 12 2 is 24. 24 divided by 12. Now the rational numbers between minus 1 and 2 are, in number is minus 12 by 12, comma, minus 11 by 12, minus 10 by 12, minus 9 by 12, minus 8 by 12, minus 7 by 12, minus 6 by 12. Next, minus 5 by 12, minus 4 by 12, minus 3 by 12, minus 12 by 12, minus 1 by 12, comma 0. Next, place values 1 by 12, 2 by 12, plus 3 by 12, 4 by 12, 5 by 12, 6 by 12, till 24 by 12. These are the rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. We can take any 12 rational numbers from above set, students. Out of these numbers, total lot of numbers are there, lot of rational numbers are there. You can take any 12 rational numbers. This is the finding rational numbers between any two integers. Okay, that's next question. Let's see the next question, students. Okay, students, here question number 5 is find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Here two rational numbers. Previous problem, we did integer problems. Here rational numbers are there. Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Here two rational numbers are there. We have to find the rational number between two rational numbers, that is 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay. First step 1 is the given rational numbers are 2 by 3 comma 3 by 4. Okay. Here step 1 is 2 by 3 into 4 by 4. Okay. How? Here two rational numbers are there. Take LCM. 2 by 3 into 4 by 4. Here multiply and divided by first number is 2 by 3. Multiplied and divided by 4 by 5. Now 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. Okay. Find a rational number between for this type of problems. We have to do multiply and divided by same number. First one is 4 by 4. 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. Now coming to second number. Second rational number is 3 by 4. Take rational number. The rational number should be same, means numerator and denominator should be same. And if you compare our two rational numbers, denominator part should be, after multiplying, denominator part should be same. This is our logic. Again I am repeating this condition, student. Take one rational number, apart our rational numbers, apart our question. Our question is 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Apart these two rational numbers, take any one rational number. That rational number should be same. Numerator and denominator should be same. Example 1 by 1 or 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. Similarly, take second number and multiply and divide. That rational number should be, numerator and denominator should be same. And after that, after multiplying two rational numbers, our question rational number, our assumed rational number, final answer denominator should be same. Okay. Now see, here 2 by 3 is our rational number. Here I have taken 4 by 4. Now multiply 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. Okay. Here numerator and denominator is same. Similarly 3 by 4 into 3 by 3. Okay. Numerator and denominator same, our rational number. Here I assumed one rational number, that rational number denominator and numerator is same. So multiply 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. And you can observe clearly, here first denominator, final answer denominator is 12 and here final answer denominator is 12. Okay. This is a logic, students. Remember this topic, concept. Okay. How should we read? Check one number. Example 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 4. Till answer we will get. Okay. Right. Therefore, the rational numbers between 8 by 2, final answer is 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. Here one formula is that, let us assume first rational number is A and second rational number is B. One formula is there, that is A plus B by 2. Now substitute in our formula. A value is 8 by 12, place symbol it as it is, and B value is 9 by 12 divided by 2. Now you can observe clearly denominator is same. If denominator is same, means numerator what we have to do? Addition. Why? Because in middle addition symbol is there. Therefore we have to add numerators. 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 by 12 whole divided by 2. Okay. Here numerator, denominator nothing is there, means 1. Now multiplication 17 by 12. Now division I am converting, multiplication means downside parts it becomes reciprocal. 2 by 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. Now 17 1s are 17, 12 2s are 24. Therefore the final answer is 17 by 24. Therefore the rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 is 17 by 24. Here final answer I am explaining again. Right. See students, 17 by 12 write as it is. This division is exactly opposite. I am converting multiplication. Now, after changing symbol, the downside part it becomes reciprocal, means 2 by 1 reciprocal means 1 by 2. Now multiply. 17 ones are 17 divided by 12 twos are 24. Okay. This is the final answer student. The rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 is 17 by 24. Okay. This is a way of finding the rational number between any two rational numbers. Okay. Let's see the next. Yeah, okay students, this is question number 6, last question. Find the 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. First rational number is minus 3 by 4. In last problem I explained clearly what is the condition. Same, minus 3 by 4, or take any rational number, the rational number should be, numerator and denominator should be same. Minus 3 3 is 9, 4 3 is 12. Here I have my rational number is 3 by 3. Similarly take 5 by 6 into 2 by 2, 5 2 is 10, 6 2 is 12. You can observe clearly here first rational number answer denominator is 12 and second rational number final answer denominator is 12. Here both the denominators are same. Okay. Now therefore the 10 rational numbers between minus 12 and 10 by 12 are minus 10 by 12, less than values minus 8 by 12, minus 7 by 12, minus 6 by 12, minus 5 by 12, minus 4 by 12, minus 3 by 12, minus 12 by 12, minus 1 by 12, 0 by 12 is nothing but 0 students, 1 by 12, 2 by 12, 3 by 12, 4 by 12, 5 by 12, 6 by 12, 7 by 12, 8 by 12, 9 by 12, 10, 9 by 10, 10 by 12. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, more than 10 numbers, rational numbers are there. You can take any 10 rational numbers, students. Out of these numbers, you can take any 10 rational numbers. This is a way of finding any 10 or 20 or 15 any rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Okay, remember this concept, students. This type of problems are very important for exam point of view. Okay, put 3 stars question. And that's all for today's class, students. I have completed total exercise 2 students. Remaining problems I will explain in next class, students. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe my channel and like it and share to your friends, students. Thank you so much. Me Vamshi Kumar.